In the vast realm of technology content, DIY PC build videos have surged in popularity, sparking a viral sensation across various platforms. What makes these videos particularly captivating is the combination of creativity and technical expertise they showcase, drawing in viewers who are eager to learn and replicate similar builds. Featuring everything from budget-friendly setups to high-end gaming rigs, these videos provide detailed guidance, making complex assemblies accessible to enthusiasts of all levels. Narrators often share valuable insights into choosing the best components for specific needs, unraveling the mysteries of motherboard compatibility, optimal cooling solutions, and performance-enhancing accessories. As a result, these creators not only inspire their audiences, but also build a thriving community of tech aficionados united by their love for crafting the perfect custom PC.